Hello everyone, in this episode I'll be sharing 2 simple instant noodle trick and turn them into something even better using really simple ingredients. Just a reminder that this is not a fancy customize your ramen video. We are going to keep it as simple as we can. So first we will be making carbonara, inspired by of course the Italian creamy carbonara sauce made with fresh eggs. Secondly, we have this creamy black pepper butter sauce noodle. And the common ingredients we will be using today are firstly, mee goreng, I'm sure you are familiar with this, and of course, eggs. So first let's make the carbonara version. We start off by grating some regular Parmesan cheese, nothing fancy here. I'm using about 15 to 20 grams of cheese. Next, add in 1 whole egg. And then you want to give it a good mix. Break up the egg and stir and mix into a creamy consistency. And then set that aside. For this dish, you will also need some Spam ham. Here I have tiny pieces that I've cut up into cubes. You want about 1/3 cup of cut up Spam. Now, over to the stove, you want to cook the Spam and give them a nice golden brown color. Let them release their flavors so that they can be added back into our noodles later. Now, over to the next step, and this is really simple. You really can't go wrong with this step. You just bring a pot of water to the boil and cook the noodles. Here's one extra step though. When the noodle is almost done, you want to scoop up some of that water because we will be needing this in the next step. Back to the sauce, we need to add the seasoning and the packet sauces. Mix it up a little and then pour in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water we reserved earlier. Be really careful and do not add too much water because you need the sauce to be creamy and not runny soup. Anyway, then we drain the noodles and add them into the bowl. Mix everything rigorously, let the heat from the noodles melt the cheese. Make sure to keep stirring and let the noodles soak in the flavors. Look at that! And then we add in the Spam. Give it a few more tosses and that's it. Grate some extra Parmesan on top and that is your mee goreng carbonara. Alright, next let's make the creamy butter black pepper noodles. I think this is one of the easiest recipe, cook all in one pan. So we start off by pouring about 300 milliliters of water into a wok. You can also use a pot. And you must be wondering, can you cook noodles with so little water? Here's how. You bring the water up to a boil, then add in the noodles. Don't do anything to the noodles just yet. Let it boil through for 1 minute. And then you want to flip the noodles over and let it boil for 1 more minute. And then loosen the noodle up. Continue to let it boil. We want to reduce the water while the noodles get cooked. While that's cooking, we add in all the other ingredients for this dish. So throw in 1/3 cup of frozen vegetable for some color. Then of course add in the black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon. You can use more black pepper for more peppery flavor and heat. Then we add in the seasoning and the packet sauces. here's the secret ingredient, sweet soy sauce. You need about 1 tablespoon. Add that straight into the noodles and give that a good mix. Continue to let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes, and when the water reduces, throw in about 1 tablespoon of butter and mix everything up. The butter will thicken up that sauce, and you will end up with a creamy, buttery, and amazing plate of noodles. Serve it on the plate and add 1 sunny side up egg. Also sprinkle on some spring onion, and that's it. You got to break up the yolk and coat the noodles with the creamy yolk and enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed watching this simple video recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you soon!